Here's a neat trick for removing an LPR from a front block. If it were screwed in a little bit more so that our gap right here was too narrow to fit this crescent wrench in, what we could do is we could take this zip tie, put it over the LPR, move it back to about right here, and then take our vice grips, and change hands. Take our vice grips and clamp it on right here onto the zip tie. And you just clamp it down, and we're going on to stainless on the back portion, so it'll be okay. And then you can take them off when you loosen it up. Take your zip tie off. So here is the back of a Dye LPR stuck onto a front block, and I want to just demonstrate how you would use a zip tie right here to wrench on this and not ding up your edges. So there we go. We are vice gripped onto. Vice grip's a little bit too tight. I'll loosen it very slightly.